Hello there. Welcome to Diction Drill Time. On this platform, I am going to be enunciating and correcting some mispronounced words with you. Today, I have two words which are generally mispronounced to correct with you. 1. Plumber. Did you say plumber? No, it is not plumber. It is plumber. Can you say it again? Plumber. Plumber. Yes. If you want to put it in a sentence, you can simply say, the plumber promised to come to my house tomorrow. The plumber promised to come to my house tomorrow. Secondly, apostle. Did you say apostle? No. That's incorrect. It is apostle. 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 If you want to put it in a sentence, you can simply say, I met the apostle in the church yesterday. I hope you get that. Very good. Can you repeat the two words we've learned today again? Plumber. Apostle. Yes. I hope you've learned something. Till I come your way again, stay blessed. Bye for now.